Are you struggling to sell your home? If you're a homeowner who is having difficulty selling, know that you're not alone. Fortunately, there are ways to combat this issue, and we're here today to talk about them. So here are the top 3 reasons why your home may not be selling and what to do about them. Number 1, pricing problems. So this is a very common issue, as many homeowners price their homes too high in hopes that it will leave room for them to negotiate down. However, this may end up turning buyers away and losing you money in the end. Today's buyers are getting smarter, so listen to the feedback you're getting from open houses, as you may find the common problem is the price. So in most cases, you need to lower your price a little, and the right agent can help you do that appropriately based on comparable homes. Number 2, product problems. So sometimes there may be a problem with your home. Again, listen to what people say at your open houses and respond to the feedback. Maybe there are renovations or updates that you need to make. However, sometimes it can be as simple as just decluttering to show that the home has more space. So also a common problem is staging. So the correct staging, including curb appeal, decorations, paint, and much more, will actually make a huge difference. And number 3, marketing problems. The truth is that you won't sell your home if buyers don't even hear about it. So make sure you work with an agent who has a top-notch marketing plan. The majority of consumers start their home search by looking online, so make sure you have an excellent listing and work with someone who knows how to get your listing seen by most people, including through social media and even virtual open houses. So as always, I hope this video was informative. Do you have any questions when it comes to selling your home, why it may not be selling? Let me know. I'd love to hear them.